Many years ago we ran a streetwear store in Portsmouth and we used to sell lots of hats and caps there, and we just kind of fell in love with them, the design and the style. So we decided to create our own hat brand, and that was how Gamble & Gunn was born. My name's Nicola Cowper. I'm the director of Gamble & Gunn Limited. We make hats and caps for men and women. We're based in the Devon countryside. We're in a tiny little village, and we also decided to base our business inside a 17th century pub that we open 3 evenings a week to the locals. It's been a really lovely way to kind of move into the village not knowing anyone, and yeah, found great community here. We decided to sell online mostly because it's so easy. Once we joined Amazon, the business did start to roll and we expanded quite quickly. Amazon's really helped us expand globally. Our hats sell all over the world. I don't think there's a country that our hats aren't sold in. As we grew, we faced challenges with cash flow like many small businesses do, and we needed to look into options for finance. That's when we discovered the ULEN Merchant Cash Advance through Amazon Lending. The application process was really straightforward, and the cost was a one-time fixed fee, which we agreed upon up front, meaning there were no hidden charges or interest. The repayment schedule gave me real peace of mind because I knew that it was linked to the sales that I made on Amazon. So if sales dipped a little, we knew that the repayment would be in tune with that. Using the financing was really helpful. It allowed us to expand our product range. So we've done a lot more fur felt fedoras, which are quite a high-end product, and it's enabled us to expand the colour range in those. I'd definitely recommend ULEN as a financing partner. It's really straightforward, customer service is really good, and yeah, it's a great way to expand your business. Running a business means wearing many hats, but Amazon Lending and ULEN have made it so much simpler for us.